Welcome to the local HE profiles. This video aims to give you an idea of the data available and how to navigate through it. You can change the level of geography that you view the data on either side of the page, but note that when changing between geography levels, all the data will temporarily disappear while you select a relevant area. So here we've selected the Coventry and Warwickshire LEP, and we're going to compare against the Lancashire LEP. The map shows the area selected as well as all of the institutions and campuses inside it. The list beneath shows all of these. Note that despite the University of Cumbria's main campus being situated in Cumbria, their Lancaster campus is displayed here, and any students taught at this campus are included in Lancashire's data. As on the previous tab, you can view the number of students taught in the LEP over the last 3 years, broken down by provision type. You can view some characteristics about the students in the LEP, and if you hover over a segment of the pie chart, it shows how the population in the LEP compares to the rest of England. There's a range of characteristics to choose from. We've selected ethnicity here. Again, hovering over the pie chart to compare the LEP to the rest of the country. You can switch the population to look at those taught at FECs instead of at HEIs using the filter, and this also changes the graph below. This graph shows which subjects are being taught in the LEP, and again how that compares to the sector. The thick line shows the LEP's value, as we see with engineering and technology, and the thin line shows the value for England. You can change back to HEI to see how this compares, and it allows you to see where there are shortages in certain subjects within each LEP. The next chart shows the domiciles of students taught in the LEP. So we see those taught in Lancashire mostly come from the northwest, whereas students in Coventry and Warwickshire come from a much wider range of regions. Underneath this is data from the Destination of Leavers from Higher Education survey, and it shows what activities graduates either domiciled in the region or studying in the region are doing after leaving university. It gives employment percentages and also employment sectors. Where the name of a sector is incomplete, you can hover over the box to see its name. Finally, we have a section containing data from the Higher Education Business and Community Interaction Survey, showing how much money universities received from activities such as contract research or consultancy contracts. Please note that the scales may be different for the LEPs you're comparing, so be careful not to draw false conclusions.